What's up, world? Thanks for jumping in for another ride. Today we're going to change the battery on a Ford Smart Key. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a 2450 battery. Second thing you'll need is something like a small flat blade screwdriver, pocket knife, even a butter knife, something like that work. We're just going to use this flat blade screwdriver. First step in the process is to depress the button at the lower portion of the key. Remove the emergency key. We're just going to take the emergency key. We're going to go right inside the slot. Once it's in the slot, you can see as we rotate the key, it pulls up that cover. You will have to use a little bit of effort to get that up. Next up, you'll note that the positive or the plus sign on the battery is facing up. Once your cover's off, you're just going to take your flat blade screwdriver or your pry tool, and there is a small opening right in this upper corner. You can pick the battery up out of there. At that point, it just slides out to the side. As we noted when we removed the old battery, the plus side or positive side up, and again, it goes in at an angle under this far side here from us. Just push it in, seat it in place. Once your battery is seated in place, just take the top cover, slip it in the top of the key fob first, depress it, it'll lock into place. At that point, you can go ahead and reinsert your emergency key, replace the battery.